Hi, my name is Andrei Yakovenko from New Element Training. In this brief video, we're gonna try to target the muscles with our upper back, particularly what they call rhomboids or upper traps as well, mostly rhomboids. It will be a little bit of back of your shoulder, but the emphasis we're really gonna try to put on those rhomboids that kind of retract your shoulder blades back. Is one of the most important exercises for kind of anti-computer neck syndrome that most of us experience in these days. So the way we're gonna do this exercise, but before actually we do it, hold on. If you haven't done it yet, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that bell notification button, so each time we produce a new video, you're not gonna miss any of our instructional educational videos about our particular form of net method training that you can do it yourself at home. So this is how we're gonna do it. You're gonna need a rubber band. It depends on the resistance of your rubber band. For this one, I find if I kind of keep my wrist maybe kind of 2 fists apart, somewhere here, that kind of gives me a nice good resistance of my rhomboids. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna sit in a position where you're gonna sit nice and tall. You're gonna bring shoulders back and chest forward. So torso straight up, shoulders back, chest forward. Your arms are roughly parallel to the floor. Now you're gonna bring your elbows away from your torso, away, and you're gonna focus on those shoulder blades. And what you're gonna do now, you're gonna try to really squeeze your shoulder blades. Keep in the good position. Now I feel my shoulder blades fully contracted. So my emphasis on those rhomboids. So I feel my shoulders fully contracted, keep in a good posture, and then I'm slowly gonna kind of release them until about there. Maybe it's only like maybe 4 inches range of motion, not very long, because I don't want to lose connection to those rhomboids. And I'm gonna go again, and I'm gonna really try to keep in the good posture and squeeze my shoulder blades back. Everything else stays the same. And slowly come down. Now, key here is to initiate the movement not from your arms, but you want to initiate the movement from your shoulder blades. So, and I'm going back and I'm feeling my shoulder blades, and I'm just focusing on maintaining good posture and squeezing my shoulder blades back. And I already feel how those muscles are getting fatigued fast. Again, each repetition is going to feel a little bit more intense than the previous one. Not how my range of motion is not very big, because I'm really trying to get into those small, between your shoulder blades, into those small muscles that contract your shoulder blades together. So each repetition gets more and more intense. Maybe the first time it felt 5 out of 10. Now it sort of feels, 7, 8. And then once you get to that last repetition, where giving you like 9 out of 10, always stay through the first principle. Prioritize the muscle. Never break the form. If you break the form, you're done. You can terminate the exercise right there. But keep in the good form. Retract shoulder blades fully. So I was barely able to contract it now. And I'm gonna take 30 seconds. I'm gonna do static hold. I'm just gonna hold it there for as long as I can. Keeping my shoulder blades squeezed. 5. And essentially visualize there is a finish line in front of you. And you're retracting your shoulder blades 10 by sprinting for the finish line. You go for it. Don't hold back. Shoulders back, chest forward. Keep your shoulder blades contracted. Retracted back. You have 15 seconds to go. All out. Squeeze them. Harder. 10 seconds to go. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and terminate it. Once you felt that despite your absolutely best effort, your 10 out of 10 effort, you were able to stay true to the first principle, keeping a perfect form, feeling the muscle, prioritizing the muscle of the movement. You were moving slower under control, prioritizing the second principle. And also you got to that point of what we call muscular failure, where despite your absolutely best effort, you simply were unable to keep those muscles contracted for any longer. Then we trigger the stimulus for adaptation. If you like to learn more about our training methodology, you can go to our website at newelementtraining.com or shoot us an email at info@newelementtraining.com if you have any questions or like to book an online coaching session. Thank you.